So this will be fun. If you notice, there are a lot of cars here. If you've noticed when I filmed here before, there aren't that many cars here. It's because they're retarring the parking lot there. This is my 1971 Ford Torino 500. They're retarring here now. This car needs to be gone in 2 hours. It has not run in over a year. It has not started in over a year. The battery is completely dead. There is no gas because it all evaporated because of the multiple holes in the gas tank. So I have Dan from Performance Auto Body of Longwood on the way, and he has a jump box and he's gonna bring a gas can, and hopefully we can get this taken care of. This should be fun. So while Dan is on his way, I did take a second to wipe this seat down a little bit, because if you look over here, that's the color they were. That's what came off the rag, and that's what would have been on my back. So I figured a little wipe should be okay. Steering wheel, I gave a quick wipe down as well. Obviously not that part, which has, I don't know what growing on it, but I'm just gonna try not to touch that. So as you can see, the car is still here. I tried to get some footage while Dan was here. I was trying to hurry and not waste his time, which I already feel like I did. So AAA is on the way. They said they'll arrive by 1:57 p.m. I checked again, they'll be here in 20 minutes, so by 8:08. So Dan did bring a gas can, and he left it with me, which is awesome. But that is one hell of a filler angle. So I had to grab a funnel. Should be no issue, right? Grab the funnel that's in here. Well, I was like, sweet, there's my funnel. Who chewed my funnel? Really? So I grabbed another funnel. Either way, AAA's on the way. This should be fun. I'm sweating, so I'm probably gonna take a shower before work. I'm gonna be late for work. Yay. This car is going to Performance Auto Body of Longwood, where it will probably sit for quite a long time. So I should probably explain what the problem actually was. The short answer is not quite sure, but the battery showed it had 1.5 volts, so it's dead, but like nothing. The ignition cylinder, I think something is wrong with that, which if that sucks, that's the last thing I really want to replace. So Dan did try to jump the solenoid using a screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Learned that trick about a year ago when I tried to do this, and it clicked a couple times. It tried to turn over, and that's it. So nothing. After that, it would just spark. Every time I close that, like 20 pounds of rust fall off of it. So waiting on the tow truck. Tow truck driver has arrived. He's awesome. He got here super fast. Got him a bottle of water. He didn't want it, probably because of COVID-19. But he's going to try to turn the truck around, back it in. I said you can put it in neutral, but as soon as you do, it's going to want to roll. So here we go. All right, so we got it moved out of the spot. Obviously, we had to push it. Sean put it in neutral. My foot slipped on that. So I tend to slip whenever I'm dealing with this car, but Sean's back there. He's going to hook it up with the winch. He's super cool. Let's see this old girl get towed. Yeah, whatever you hook it to might rip off because you see all the rust.
Yeah. Well, this part died. All I needed to do is get it up on the truck.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the most she has moved in about a year and a half. Awesome. Oh, this car likes to do whatever the hell it wants to do. And that lady over there is the property manager. She is going to start knocking on everyone's doors and tell them, hey, your car's getting towed. So she's making it on the truck now. I missed the clip of it totally going up because my phone ran out of space, but there you go, off the Performance Auto Body of Longwood. All right, so I just got to work, took a quick shower before I left, smell a little less like gas. They were just about to knock on my door and tell me to move the Mustang. Already moved it. So yeah, that was crazy. Last minute struggle, but AAA pulled through. Dan pulled through. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more of these crazy happenings, they may happen from time to time, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to like and comment and let me know what you think about this situation. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss any of the future videos coming up. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. I wonder if you can figure out which spot my Torino was in.